Here in Grand Lake St. Mary's, this is one of an ever-increasing number of restored wetland habitats. Myself, as well as a group of undergraduates that get very involved in the laboratory research, visit these wetlands on a weekly basis all year round. And we come to these wetlands and we take water samples from the stream that acts as a source, as well as from the outflow point of these wetlands. And we take that stream sample and that outflow sample from the wetland, we take those back to Lake Campus, and we do our sediment analysis to understand how much particulates are removed. We also do a series of dissolved nutrient analyses to understand just how much phosphorus as well as nitrogen these systems are capable of removing. The importance of this research is really to establish a baseline of just how important wetland systems can be from a water quality perspective. Historically, pre-colonization, there were millions and millions of acres of wetlands around the United States. Over time, these wetlands have been drained and destroyed for a variety of reasons. One of the things that this research does is establish a benchmark of what these wetlands can actually do from a water quality perspective and how important it is to restore some of these wetland systems back to their natural state. Because as we move forward to tackle the problems of water quality that we currently face, wetlands are an integral piece in that puzzle. They're not the only tool, they're not the only thing in our toolbox that we can use to remediate water quality and improve the environment, but they are an important one.